Good morning, students. In the earlier lecture, we discussed about the factor affecting motor development. Today, we will discuss about the next topic, exercise guidelines for different stages of growth. So, first, what do you mean by growth? Growth means increase in height, width, and weight of a person. The external growth structure of growth can be measured. To understand human growth, scientists has divided it in the following steps. The first is infancy period, early childhood, later childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age period. In the stage of growth, to keep physically fit, there are some exercises which can be beneficial for the growth and development. So today we will talk about all those stages of growth. The first is infancy period. The period of 1 to 3 years of a child is called infancy, in which he control on head, sit, walk on knees. The bones of the babies are very soft, and so only light exercises should be given to them. Activities like walking, running, jumping, catching, throwing. So these activities should be given to them. नेक्स्ट आता है आपका अर्ली चाइल्डहुड. In early childhood, the age of 4 to 8-year child, exercise to develop movement skills, emphasize on participation, not competition, exercise related to the fine motor development, moderate exercise for at least an hour, exercise in safe environment, organized exercise program. So these are the exercises schedule given in early childhood period to the children. नेक्स्ट आता है आपका चाइल्डहुड, 8 to 12 years of child. This condition lags up to the beginning of maturity. In this stage there are many changes in the child. Child must have at least 3 days in a week to provide sports or exercise that strengthen their muscles and bones. The child should be engaged in physical activities rather than spending time sitting up to the target time. Swimming may be very beneficial for children at this stage. This type of exercise increase the heart and respiratory capacity. Their body weight is controlled. The chances of getting sick are less. The endurance exercise should not be given at this stage. The next and very important period is adolescent period, 13 to 19 years. Adolescence is a state of intense physical growth. It is also called teenage. The following exercises are beneficial in the condition. First is aerobic exercise, average strength exercise, and vigorous strength exercise. Fast walking, cycling, playing baseball, softball. Vigorous strength exercises में active sports like running, football, skipping the rope, long distance cycling, martial art, karate, taekwondo, sports like tennis, hockey, volleyball, basketball, swimming, football. So these are the vigorous strength exercise that adolescent children have to done in their regular schedule. नेक्स्ट आता है एक्सरसाइज टू स्ट्रेंथन देयर मसल्स. सो ड्यूरिंग टीनेज द डेली रूटीन ऑफ अ टीनेजर इज वेरी बिजी. Therefore, they should do such exercise which make muscles able to do more work without fatigue, such as cross country, work with loads, exercise with weight and machine. नेक्स्ट आता है एक्सरसाइज टू स्ट्रेंथन बोन्स. Adolescent must do such exercise at least 3 days in a week which should strengthen their bones, such as skipping rope, jumping, running, gymnastic, volleyball. So these are the exercise to strengthen their bones. नेक्स्ट आता है adulthood period 19 to 40 years. Adults should always be active in addition to sleeping. In addition to moderate intensive activity to be physically stronger for about 1 hour, there should be activity with vigorous intensity such as running and football and swimming, etc. To increase muscle strength, 2 week moderate intensity activity should be done. So what are the benefits of exercise in adulthood? Regular exercise reduce the risk of disease such as obesity, heart disease, diabetes. Daily tasks can be done without fatigue. Self-esteem increases. Stay away from depression. So these are the benefits of exercise in adulthood period. Next is old age. Old age, a person should perform physically activity according to his physical strength, which can help him to cure his health. So muscle strengthening exercise such as weightlifting, walk, pull up, push up, pushing, dancing, balancing and coordinative activities, yoga, pranayam should be done. And what are the benefits in old age? Chances of cardiac disease, heart disease are low, age increase, ability to do daily routine work increase. The mood remains good due to which there is less chance of depression. Bones strengthened, physical activity increased, less chance of lifestyle disease such as diabetes, cancer and high BP. So these are the some exercise schedule given to the growth stage, different stages of growth, exercise guidelines. I think the exercise guidelines are clear to everyone in every stage of growth. Thank you.